What up, what up, what up? Mike Valle here, back at you with another video right here from affiliate marketing madeeasy.com. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you why building an email list is absolutely crucial, guys. Building an email list is #1 key for your business. All right, roll it. Let's get this started.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. I work hard,
I work hard every day. Oh shit, you guys are still there. Alright guys, so building an email list is absolutely crucial. Why? I'll give you a perfect example. My YouTube channel. I started recording and posting on YouTube on, I would like to say, July 2017, and I wasn't posting as consistent as I am now, but I did have a few videos that did pretty good. When I started my journey on Amazon, I'll drop some future videos reflecting back on those days. But what I never did was I never built an email list, and everyone would say how important it was, and I still wouldn't do it because I just thought the process was so hard. Now I absolutely know how to do it so easily. But back to it. So in July 2017, I began my journey on YouTube. Back in, I would like to say, really recently, I think around March, Grant Cardone actually shut down my YouTube account. That's gonna be my first video on this channel. You guys can go and check that out all the way, scroll all the way down to the most oldest video. There's still not so many videos up here, so it's you will find it easily. But Grant Cardone shut down my YouTube account. It wasn't specifically him directly, but it was his team for recording at his 10x growth conference and posting it online. I recorded Ty Lopez speaking, only a small piece about it, and he pretty much hit me for copyright and took me out. I had grew that channel to around, it wasn't huge, it was like 200 subscribers, but you know, I had put in a lot of work into that channel. A lot of older videos that were ranking pretty well as well when I started the Amazon journey, and people that I would talk to that I can no longer find. So that's why building an email list is important, because if I would have had an email list after my YouTube account got shut down, I could have easily messaged all my subscribers and let them know, hey guys, Grant Cardone fucked me over, shut me down, but you know what, I'm back and I'm better than ever, and here's my new channel, subscribe and let's start this journey all over again. But I did not have that email list, so I was not able to do that, and I was stuck on having to start a new channel, a new journey with new subscribers. So yeah guys, building an email list is absolutely crucial. Do not end up like me. It was pretty hard. I couldn't even get out of that slump. It took me like 2 weeks to decide to make another YouTube channel and go back at it. It really took a toll on me. I've been through a lot in my journey in entrepreneurship. That's why I want to show you guys all my ups and my downs, because I've had a lot of downs as well. I used to sell on Amazon, and I had a video on my old channel where Amazon actually shut down my account and suspended me, and I had to be out of there. I mean, I've had it pretty damn tough, guys. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for some notifications, and remember, building an email list is major key, because if you don't do it, you could end up back to ground zero without your subscribers, without your potential clients, without a lot, guys. Like, just build it. It's not that hard. I'll drop some videos in the future on how to build an email list, but it's really simple, guys. I suggest using Builderall, links down below as well. Thanks for watching. This was Mike Valle with affiliate marketing madeeasy.com. Out.
Hey, I work hard every motherfucking day. I work hard.